Hello guys, this is Mayank from QA and today we are asking, is torrenting legal or illegal? So first of all, let's know what torrent is. Torrent is basically file sharing method from which you can share your files from your system to another person without using any other medium or any other mediator sites like RapidGetter or RapidShares. So first of all, let's know how to make a torrent, and then I will tell you how torrent works and how you can share file with torrent, and then we will discuss, is torrent illegal or legal. So this is the uTorrent interface I'm using here. You can also use BitTorrent client, and if you are using torrent, you can simply go to file, create new torrent. So from here you can add the file, or you can add a folder also. So whichever you want to share, you can add it here and just create the start seeding and the private torrent if you want to just share it with the person whom with you have shared the torrent, and the private torrent is for personal use only, so you can use that private torrent and create, and that's how you have created your torrent. Save the torrent file with the name and share that file with anyone over mail or anywhere else. So that's how you can create a new torrent file. So now the main question we are asking in this video is torrenting legal or illegal? Torrenting is legal but also illegal. So how it is both? It is like this. If you are using the torrent for sharing your files that you own, that you have copyright, and all the material in that particular file, folder, or anything is particularly created by you, or you have the permission to create those things, then you can share that files, and that's a legal thing. That means if you are sharing that file using the torrent method, it's a legal thing. So torrenting is legal in that way. How it is illegal? If you are sharing a copyrighted material like softwares, music contents, videos, films, etc. through torrents between your friends or anyone else, then it's illegal. You shouldn't share any copyrighted contents with the help of torrent. So the profit of torrent while sharing files is you don't have any kind of limitations on how much large files you can share with torrent. You can share actually a large amount of file with the use of torrents, and like any other site, you have a limited amount like 10 GB, 1 GB. After that you have to sign up for a premium account. uTorrent doesn't have any kind of limitations in that particular category. Also, if you are using torrents to share the files, you have to keep your system switched on, because the file is directly uploaded from your system to the person you have shared the torrent files, who is downloading that particular file using torrent. So you are uploading that file to that particular system, to that particular person. So torrent works in that method. So what is the final conclusion of this video? It simply is torrent is illegal. Torrent is legal if you share your files, your contents with any other person. But if you share any copyrighted content to any other person using torrents, it's illegal. So guys, you can use torrent for sharing your files, large files, with any person if you want, easily with the torrents. So don't go to RapidShare or RapidGetter for any premium services they provide. Just use the torrent. If you have the upload speed, just use torrent to share the files. So guys, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and if you dislike it, dislike that button. But if you want to see more videos upcoming, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, because it let me know that more and more of you people want to watch this kind of video upcoming.